Hi everyone, my name is Lebrik and I welcome you to the 6th part of my Rubik's Cube tutorial. In this part, we are gonna orient the edges on the correct position. As you can see, these cubes have the same scramble now, but on this one I'm gonna show you all the possibilities that can occur when we have to orient all the edges. Okay, let's start. For orienting the edges, we must adjust the top layer for seeing if we have at least two edges on their correct position. So I'm gonna do it on this cube. So we move the top layer. So we still don't have the edges on their correct position. So I can keep going. They still not. I do it again, and then we have all the edges are on their correct position. So if we do it on this cube, we have solved them, but now we'll see what happen if they are not on the correct position, and I am sure I'll show you in this cube now. Okay, so as I said you at the beginning, we must adjust the top layer for seeing if we have at least two edges on the correct position. So we move the top layer. Nope. So we still move the top layer. We see there's one solved, but not another one. So we still move the top layer, and now we see that there are two edges on the correct position. And this time we are gonna hold them like an L, like a normal L. So we hold it from this angle, and we do this algorithm. Right on, up on, right off, up on, right on, double up, 1, 2, right off. Now we adjust the top layer and now all the edges are on the correct position now. This algorithm that I did is called Sune. Okay, now I'm gonna show you another possibility and the last one that can occur when we have to when we have to orient the edges. Okay, and it's this one. This time we have this one on its correct position, and this one too, but these two not. So, okay, for this case, we can hold the cube from any angle as we want. So that doesn't matter from which angle we hold this case. We can do it from this one. And now we just doing the zoom as I did before. So right on, up on, right off, up on, right on, double up, right off. Okay, and now we have again this case. It's the left. No, it's just the L case for orienting the edges. So previously, when we were solving the cross, where we got the left L, so the left L is from solving the cross, but this L is just the normal one, and it comes from orientating the edges this time. So this case we just hold it from this angle, so like an L. So with these two edges that are soft, and we do the Sune again, the Sune algorithm. Right on, up, on, right off, up, on, right on, double up. So it's up to that double up, and doesn't matter how we say it, and right off. We adjust the top layer, and they are all solved. Okay, that was all for showing how to orient the edges. In the next part, we are gonna orient the corners there this time. See you there then.